In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can EQ and make your volume louder on Apple Music. There's a number of different reasons why you might want to do this. Maybe a song is just a little too quiet and you want to give it a little bit of a boost, or perhaps you've got some earphones that really lack in bass and you just want to bring back that sound. In Spotify, it's super simple to EQ your music directly from the app, and it is just as simple in Apple Music. You've just got to do a little bit more digging. You want to head on into the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you find music. It's just under the section that starts with passwords and accounts and ends with stocks. Once you've found the music settings, you want to go down to the playback section and tap on EQ. There's tons of different presets in here and you can tap on any one of them to dial in your music to your exact liking. The most common ones that people use are the loudness preset, which obviously makes your music louder, and the bass booster, which amplifies the bass in your song. If you ever want to turn off the EQ, then you can just leave it in the default setting, which is just basically having it off. And it really is just as simple as that. If this video helped you out, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome content like this. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video.